Super quick about HyperDocs. They're just a document that has links that, when clicked on, take the user somewhere, either within the slide or out on the internet to a web page or to a video. So if I wanted to make one really quick, I'd first want to have what I'm going to link it to. So I know that for news media, I want to link a video. So if I go over to where the YouTube channel is I want to use, which happens to be my own, Digital Citizenship Course, News and Media, I want that one. 3 dots, get the shareable link, then back to the slide, highlight what I want to be linked, press the link button in the menu bar up here, insert the link, paste it in there, apply it. It will change the color. Obviously, I should be able to change that. Let me just highlight it all first so that it is easy to be read. And then the students, when they click on that, they would go to it, but because I'm the owner of it, I'll have to go down here and click on this, and it would take me to that video. Why would we use these kinds of things? It's a great way to organize an entire unit. So like in this example, this is the digital citizenship unit. And on various slides, I have other things for the student or the family to do. I happen to be able to embed the video, so I didn't use it for that. But on other slides or documents, all these blues are hyperlinks that will take the user to somewhere you need them to go. So it can all be in one location instead of the students having to go to YouTube, type this in, or go back to your Google Classroom and find the material that works with it. It's kind of a way to package it all together for them. That's what a hyperlink is in a HyperDoc or a HyperSlide.